Good morning, my dear students. The previous class we have completed first exercise using two formulas, isn't it? Now we start the third class with some five formulas, right? So the first formula, today's first formula, already we have finished two formulas. Now we'll write this one as third one. Third formula, integral 1 by x dx is equal to log of modulus of x plus c. Yes, just to see why we are putting a modulus for this x. Just you see why we are putting modulus of x, modulus for the variable x. See, we can calculate logarithm only for the positive values, isn't it, ma? You know very well. So that only for calculating logarithm only for positive values. So to making the variable x as a positive one, we are writing as log of modulus of x plus c, right? Then problem 4, the same way, 1 by x plus a into dx is also log of modulus of x plus a plus c. The same problem 5, integral 1 by x minus a. That is dx is equal to log of x minus a plus c. Then problem 6, formula 6, integral 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Then formula 7, 1 by first one ax plus b, sixth one, then seventh one ax minus b. Ax minus b dx is equal to 1 by a log of modulus of ax minus b plus c. Now you see in this all the formulas you see the first one integral 1 by x dx. Yes, ma? See the denominator is x and the derivative of x is 1. So here we'll have derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So that we are writing this one as log of modulus of x plus c. And similar way, you see 1 by x plus a into dx. What is the denominator? X plus a. What is the derivative of denominator? Also 1. So that we have given as log of modulus of x plus a plus c. Right? Suppose if you are having integral 1 by c x squared something, x squared plus 3, and in the numerator we'll have 2x into dx. Just to see what is this integration, see the denominator x squared plus 3 and derivative of x squared plus 3 is 2x plus 0, right? 2x. So in this problem we'll have the derivative of denominator is in the numerator. That's why we are writing this one as log of x squared plus 3 plus c. Isma, hope you understood these formulas, I think. See here, if the derivative of denominator is in the numerator, we are make use of the formula this one, log of this one. Here, this derivative of x squared plus 2x, x squared plus 3 is 2x, which is in the numerator. So that the formula becomes log of x squared plus 3 plus c. Yes. Now, using these 5 formulas, let's start this session. We'll do some more problem using these formulas. Yes, ma? And already we have finished 8 examples in the previous one. Now we'll start with example 9. First one, integral 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 by x into dx, right? So as before, we can split into different terms because 3 terms in the numerator, 1 term in the denominator. So as before, we write 3x squared by x plus 2x by x plus 1 by x dx. Now we simplify. This x and x get cancelled. 3x plus x cancel plus 2 plus 1 by x dx. Now integral of 3x is 3 into x integration x squared by 2, constant term 2 integration 2x, and you see what is integral of 1 by x? Integral of 1 by x is log of modulus of x plus c. Yes, ma? Thus example 9 over. Now coming to example 10. Right? Here we are using both the formula. Here x power n by x power n formula. Here 1 by x formula. Both the formulas we are using here. Now example 10. Integral 2 by 3x plus 5 dx is equal to, then 2. 2 is constant taking outside. 2 into 1 by 3x plus 5 into dx. And this problem is of the form what? 1 by, what ma? 1 by ax plus b into dx. Isn't it? It's a formula 6, I think. 1 by ax plus b into dx. What is the formula you say? 1 by a into log of ax plus b plus c. Isn't it? So that we write here it is 2 into log of 3x plus 5. Here 2 by 3 plus c. So the answer is 2 by 3 log of 3x plus 5 plus c. Right? Using this formula. Example 10. Now coming to example 11. Example 11 is integral x square plus 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into dx. Yes, and x square plus 2x plus 3. Just to see the previous exercise, we have factorized and we cancel the terms. Now you see whether can we factorize the numerator term. X square plus 2x plus 3 cannot be factorized. No, so that we are divide the term as usual, division term, that is x square plus 2x plus 3, usual model, we'll divide. We'll find out the division of these two. Right, ma? So what are the steps we'll follow? Taking the first term of x square and the first term of x, we'll divide this one, isn't it? X squared by x cube, x squared, and here it is x. So this x cancel, so we'll get x. Right? Now with this x, we are multiplying this x plus 1. X into x, x squared, plus 1 into x, x. So that here change the sign, minus minus, right? X squared minus x cancel, 2x minus x, x, and get down the term 3, x plus 3. Now first term of x plus 3 and first term of the dividend x plus 1 will divide. So x by x cancel 1. So write 1 here, then multiplying 1 with x plus 1. So 1 into x, x, 1 plus 1, right? Change the sign, minus minus get cancelled, 3 minus 1, 2. So we'll write this one as, see, usually we'll write 5 divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. So we'll write this one as how 2 into 1 by 2. The sign in between 2 and 1 by 2 is what? 2. So we'll plus. So we'll write this one as 2 plus 1 by 2. Isn't it? The way, same way, we'll write this one as x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1. Isn't it, ma? This mixed fraction we'll write 2 into 1 by 2. Correct? And the sign between 2 and 1 by 2 is usually what? Plus. 2 plus 1 by 2. The same way. 2 plus this 1 by 2. The same way, we are writing this as x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1. Thus, we have find out the division of these two expressions. Now, coming to integration, we'll write x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 into dx. Now we'll go for usual integration. That is, integral of x is what? X squared by 2. Integral of 1 is x plus 2 by x plus 1. 2 taken outside. Integral of x plus 1 is integral of 1 by x plus 1 dx is what? Log of modulus of x plus 1, isn't it? So taking 2 outside, integral of 1 by x plus 1 is log of modulus of x plus 1. Integration gets over, so we'll write plus c. So that answer is x squared by 2 plus x plus 2 log of x plus 1 plus c. So hope you have understood this one. So the same division problem, we'll see some more, the same model. Next also the same model. Example 12. Right? That is integral x cube plus 5x squared minus 9 by x plus 2 into dx. This also will get division of two expression we'll find out using usual division model. Yes, so we'll divide this one. That is here x cube, after x cube plus 5x square minus 9 we are having, but after x square usually we'll have x term. Here there is no x term, thus we are putting 0 x minus 9, right? And divided by what term? X plus 2, right? X plus 2, right? Now first term here it is x cube, here the first term is x. So x and x cube get cancelled, we'll get as what? X is squared, right? So that here it is x squared. Now x squared into x, x cube plus 2x squared. So change the sign, minus getting cancelled, 5 minus 2, 3x squared, get down the next term, 0x, 3x squared plus 0x. Here the first term 3x squared, and in the dividend first term x, so x cancel, we'll get this one as 3x, so here plus 3x. Now 3x into x plus 2. So first 3x into x is 3x squared plus 3x into 2 is 3 2s are 6, 6x. So minus getting cancelled, minus 6x. Get down the next term, minus 9. Now here the first term, minus 6 by x. X get cancelled, what? Minus 6. So here we write minus 6. So minus 6x or minus 12. So here it is plus, here also plus. Cancel. Now minus 9 plus 12 is what? Plus 3. So that the division becomes this quotient is x squared plus 3x minus 6 plus the remainder is 3 by x plus 2. Right? Thus we have finished this division. Now coming for integration. That is integral x squared plus 3x minus 6 plus 3 by x plus 2 into dx. Yes, ma? So simplification over using division algorithm. Now coming to integration process using the formulas. First one, x squared integration x cube by 3 plus 3 into x integration x squared by 2 minus 6 integration 6x plus 3 by x plus 2. What is the integration now? What's the formula? 3 constant outside, 1 by x plus 2. See integral of, and again I reminds you, 1 by x plus 2 dx. What's the formula? This one, you say log of x plus 2, log of modulus of x plus 2. So 3 into log of modulus of x plus 2 plus c. Yes, thus we have finished example 12. Yes, now we'll move to the exercise problem using this same model. Yes, so we'll start exercise 2.2. We'll finish it up 4 problems using the same model. So you can also try for the problem by yourself, right? So that you can have some practice. So exercise 2.2, first problem, integral root of 2x minus 1 by root of 2x the whole squared dx. Yes, ma? And just now you are familiar with these things. What we will be doing, see, this we simplify the term using the formula what? A minus b the whole squared one, right? So that we'll get integral a squared root x the whole square, which is 2x, and b squared, that is 1 by root x the whole square, which is 2x minus 2ab minus 2 into root 2x into 1 by root 2x dx. Here root 2x get cancelled. So integral of 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 2 dx. Now coming for, so simplification over. Now we'll go for integration using the formulas. First, integral of 2x. Here 2 constant outside. Integral of x is x squared by 2 plus here 1 by 2 constant outside. Taking outside, it becomes 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x is what? You say log of modulus of x minus 2. Integral of 2 is 2x plus c. Yes, ma? So this is the answer for first problem. Now, second one. Second one, integral of x power 4 minus x squared plus 2 by x minus 1 dx. Yes, ma? See how we can do this one using which method we can do. See, x power 4 minus x squared plus 2 numerator expression and denominator expression x minus 1. So we'll divide these two expressions using usual algorithm like previous examples, right? So like that also we can do. If you want, you can do. As usual, we'll divide this one. That is, divide means we'll write what? X power 4 minus x square is the next term. So after x power 4, we'll have supposed to be x cube. Then minus x square, and after x square, we'll have x. There is no x term, so we'll write 0x plus 2. And we'll divide this one by x minus 1, and we can follow the previous method. That also you can do, and we'll go for a different method. We'll get answer for same one. If you want, you can try for this one. Usual division algorithm you find out using the previous method, right? That also you can do. You try for. Now we'll go for another method. We'll try for another method. Somewhat simplest method we'll try. That is, see, the first term x power 4 minus first two terms x power 4 minus x square, no, see, just I will write, see, x power 4 minus x square plus 2 by x minus 1 dx. In this, the numerator, denominator x minus 1, in the numerator first two terms x power 4 minus x squared is common, isn't it, ma? You see, x squared is common, so taking x squared outside, after taking x squared, we'll have x squared minus 1 plus 2 into dx. Yes, ma? Now, x squared into x squared minus 1, which is of the form a squared minus b squared, isn't it? So, a plus b into a minus b, which is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Then here it is plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into dx. Now, you see, in the numerator, we are having two expressions, two terms, first term, second term. And denominator, taking x minus 1 as one term. So, numerator 2 term, denominator 1 term. So, we can split. So, we'll write x squared into x plus 1 into x minus 1 by x minus 1. First term. Then second term, 2 by x minus 1 into dx. Now, this x minus 1 getting cancelled. Now, we'll write here x, we'll multiply x squared into x plus 1, we'll remove the bracket. X squared into x cube plus x squared. This is the first term, plus 2 by x minus 1 into dx, which is somewhat easier. Yes, ma? Now, we'll go for usual integration. X cube integration what? X power 4 by 4 plus x squared integration is what? X cube by 3 plus taking 2 outside. So 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 is what? Log of x minus 1 plus c, which is somewhat easier step. That is, we can avoid this usual division algorithm. We can do this method also, right? Okay. Hope you have gone through this problem, Isma, and hope you're all enjoying this integral calculus. Once again, I'll remember you, Ma. This integration is a very easy plus important chapter, which requires a lot of practice only. So do the problem and one or two or three times. It should be easier for you, right, Ma? Now do problem three. Problem 3, x cubed by x plus 2 into dx. And the numerator x cubed, denominator x plus 2. We cannot be factorized, we cannot cancel, we cannot split it. So that will go for usual division algorithm. Simply we'll have x cube only, right? So we'll write x cube 0 x squared 0 x, then 0 constant 0, then denominator x plus 2. So here first term x cube, here first term x. So x get cancel, what? X is square. So here it is x square. X square into x, what ma? X cube plus 2x square minus cancel, what? Minus 2x square, then get down 0x. Get down 0x, right ma? 0x. Now divide this one. First term. First term is what? Minus 2x squared. Here it is x. X cancel. So minus 2x. So we'll write minus x. Minus 2x into x is minus 2x squared. Then minus 4x. Change the sign. Plus cancel. Plus 4x. Then we'll get down the element 0. Now here 4x, here x, right? 4x by x. Cancel, will get 4. So that we'll write here 4. 4. Here 4. Yes, ma? So 4x, right? 4. 4x plus 4 2s are 8. Minus, here minus cancel, minus 8. This division over. So here the numerator is x squared, numerator, there is quotient x squared minus 2x plus 4. This quotient, and remainder minus 8 by x plus 2. So division over. Now coming to integration process. So x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus 8 by x plus 2 into dx. So that integral of x squared is what? X cubed by 3 minus 2x squared by 2 minus 4x minus 8 log of x plus 2 plus c. The 2 get cancelled. So the answer for the third problem is x cubed by 3 minus x squared minus 4x. Here it is x squared minus 2x plus 4, I think. Isn't it, ma? Plus 4. X squared minus 2x plus 4 here. Yes. Plus 4x. Yes. Plus 4x. Plus 4x minus 8 log of x plus 2 plus c. Yes, ma? Problem 3 over. Yes. Now do problem 4. Coming to problem 4, same model. You can also do this along with me. Yes, x cube plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 11 divided by x plus 5 into dx. And as usual, we'll divide the term using division algorithm. So x cube plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 11, x plus 5. Yes, ma, x plus 5. First term is what? X cube. So we write x cube by x cancel. So we'll get as x squared. So here it is x squared. X squared into x cube plus 5x squared. Then minus cancel, minus 2x squared minus 7x. Then minus 2x squared. First term here is x cancel. So what? Minus 2x. Right, ma? So minus 2x. Minus 2x into x minus 2x squared minus what? Minus 2 in x into 5 what, ma? Minus 10x. Right? Minus 10x. Now here plus cancel, minus 7x plus 10x plus 3x. Then get down the term plus 11. So here term 3x, here first term x cancel 3. So the constant term 3x. So 3x plus 5 3s are 15. Minus cancel. 11 minus 15 is minus 4. Yes. So the this simplification becomes x squared minus 2x plus 3 quotient, then minus 4 by x plus 5. Yes. Now coming for integration. That is integral x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 4 by x plus 5 into dx. And usual integration, what ma you say? X squared integration, x cube by 3 minus 2 into x integration, x squared by 2 plus integral of 3 is 3x minus 4 constant outside, and 1 by x plus 5 integration is log of x plus 5 plus c. Here the 2 get cancelled. So answer for fourth one is x cube by 3 minus x squared plus 3x minus 4 log of x plus 5 plus c. Yes, ma? So example 4 problem, exercise 4 problem, the first model over. Now coming to example example 13. Yes, example 13. In example 13, we are using partial fractions. Now, here after we are doing the problem using partial fraction, right? So now taking example 13. So integral of 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6 into dx. Right? So till now we have divided these fraction in using a usual division algorithm. And what about this division? It's somewhat difficult. That's why we are using partial fraction method, which is the simplest form. Yes, and or you remember this partial fraction in 11th standard you have studied, right? So we'll split the terms. So using partial fraction. So you consider 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to, can you remember what we'll be doing? 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6 factorization. So here it is 6 and we need minus 5, so that 3 2s are 6, minus 5 we need, so minus 3 minus 2. So the factors are x minus 3 into x minus 2. Isn't it, ma? So we'll write this one as what? A by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 2. Can you remember this one? 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6. Taking this one as 1. Now I want to find the values of a and b. Right. Now take the LCM, x minus 3 into x minus 2. Then here it is a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. Here 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6. Right? These two get cancelled, so that we'll get 7x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3, right? Taking this one as 2. Taking this one as 2. Now we'll substitute what what will we substitute? X is equal to 2. Yes, in 2. So that equation 2 becomes 7 2s are 14 minus 1 is equal to in first term a into 2 minus 2 becomes 0, isn't it? So 0 plus b into 2 minus 3. 14 minus 1 is what? 13 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, so minus b, which becomes what? B is equal to minus 13. We get the value of b. And similarly, we write, coming to next, put x is equal to 3 in 2. So that 2 becomes, is what? By substituting x is equal to 3 into what? 7 3s are 21. Right? 21 minus 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 2 is 1 and b into 3 minus 3 is 0. Right? So that the value of a is 20. So we got the values of both a and b. Now substitute the values of a and b in 1. So that equation 1 becomes what you say? 7x minus 1 by x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to a value is 20. So 20 by x minus 3 and plus b by x minus 2, where b is equal to minus 13. So we will write minus 13 by x minus 2. Right? So we have split the term using partial fraction. Since the usual division algorithm is difficult, we are dividing this expression using partial fraction, which you know already very well, right? So that partial fraction over. Now we are coming for integration. The same thing, we are integrate with respect to x. Integral dx. Right now, here also integral dx. In the same place itself, I have done integration. So that integral, right, 20 outside, constant outside, 1 by x minus 3 is log of x minus 3 minus 13 constant outside, 13 into log of modulus of x minus 2 plus, yes, Isma. So a little bit bigger problem, right? So first you have to simplify this one using partial fraction, then you go for integration, right? Yes. Now coming to the next problem, example 14. Example 14. Integral 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 the whole squared into x minus 3 into dx. Yes, and this also somewhat difficult for usual division algorithm, so that we are using partial fraction. Using partial fraction, we are split the terms. So 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 the whole square into x minus 3 into dx is equal to, this is type 2 partial fraction. Can you remember this? Here first term x minus 2 the whole square. So how you assign the constant? You say first you write a by x minus 2, then plus b by x minus 2 the whole square plus c by x minus 3. Type 2 partial fraction. You remember this? Yes, ma? Here, since x minus 2 the whole square, so first we will write a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 the whole square plus c by x minus 3, right? That is, we'll take the LCM. So x minus 2 the whole square into x minus 3. So here we'll get a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 2 the whole square. Yes, see, these things you have learned in the previous class itself, so that which will be easier for you. Yes, sorry, here there is no integration, just we are taking only what simplification only, so that there is no integration, there is no integration, there is no dx. First we will go for simplification. Yes, ma? Just you change this, right? Okay, now here left hand side 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 the whole square into x minus 3. The terms getting cancelled, so we'll get the term as 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 2 the whole square. Taking this as 1. Now our aim is to find the values of the constant a, b, c by substituting appropriate values for x. So first we will substitute value for x as 2. Put x is equal to 2 in 1, right? So that this equation 1 becomes what? 8 2s are what, ma? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, right? 8 is equal to, by substituting x is equal to 2, the first term becomes 0 and second term is b into what? 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, and third term becomes 0, right? So we have minus b is equal to 8, so that b is equal to minus 8. So we got the value of b. Now next is substitution. What just you say? X is equal to what? 3. Yes, x is equal to 3 in 1. So that this equation 1 becomes, by substituting x is equal to 3, we'll have 11 is equal to, right hand side, by substituting x is equal to 3, first term becomes 0, second term also becomes 0. Then the coming to third term, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 again 1. 1 square is also 1. So that c is equal to 11. We got the values for b and c. Right now, coming to process of find the value of a. So for finding the value of, to find the value of a, you can substitute x is equal to 0. Otherwise, some simplest form. If you can, we'll do the problem by substituting x is equal to 0. Otherwise, we'll go for the next method. What? Just easier method. Just we are equating the constant term on the both the side. You remember, I think, the last year portion, equating what term we are going to call? Equating constant term. Equating the constant term on both the side. The left hand side constant term is what, ma? 2. And right hand side constant term, see here, you multiplying constant term, first term, minus 2, minus 3. Right, ma? Minus 2, minus 3, what? Plus 6. Minus 2, minus 3, plus 6. And outside 1a. So altogether we will have 6a. Correct? Check it over once again, right? Then second term is minus 3b. Then last term, here a minus with the whole square form, right? 2 square. Constant term is what? 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 4c, right? In this, already we know the values for b and c. So you substitute here 6a minus 3 into p is what? Minus 8 plus 4 into c is what? 11. All right, we continue this one here. 2 is equal to what? 6a plus 24 plus 44. You simplify here, 6a is equal to minus 66, so that a is equal to minus 11. So the partial fraction over, so everything you substitute in the main equation, that is, which becomes 3x plus 2 by x minus 2 the whole square into x minus 3 dx is equal to, first one is minus 11 by x minus 2 dx. Second one is minus 8 by what? X minus 2 the whole square into dx, and the third one is plus 11 by x minus 3 into dx. The same step I have even integration itself, so that we can skip some more steps. We no need to go for so many steps, so that in that itself I have given the integration. Now coming for, so simplification over, now coming for integration. What? Minus 11 into integration of 1 by x minus 2, you know that log of x minus 2 is not, then minus 8 outside, and once again you see the integration, see 1 minus x minus 2 the whole square. See, simply 1 minus x, 1 by x minus 2 only log. Here it is what? X minus 2 power 2. So that if it is simply 1 by 1 x minus 2 means log. Here it is x minus 2 the whole square. So we are taking the term to the numerator as we have done before, right? So that now the integration is x minus 2 power what? Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by minus 1. That is minus 1 by x minus 2. It's clear, ma? Integration of this one. So already minus 8. Now minus 1 by x minus 2, right? Minus minus plus, plus 8 by x minus 2 plus 11 into 1 by x minus 3. Integration is log of x minus 3 plus c. So integration over. Now just we are simplifying. Integration over. Now you write 11 log x minus 3 minus 11 log x minus 2, right? In both the terms 11 is constant. Both the terms 11 is constant. So taking outside. So I am writing log x minus 3 first. Log x minus 3, then minus log x minus 2. Okay, plus 8 by x minus 2 plus c. Now 11 into, you see the formula, what formula? Log m minus log n. What is log m by n? So that log of what? X minus 3 by x minus 2. X minus 3 by x minus 2 plus 8 by x minus 2 plus c. 8 by x minus 2 plus c. So the answer is 11 log x minus 3 by x minus 2 plus 8 by x minus 2 plus c. Yes, ma? Right. See, we can do the same problem in another easiest method also. So we'll go for a liter, right? We'll just check it over. You try for this a liter. In which method we can do? See, we can do this problem in only 3 steps using some of the formulas. As usual, we'll do no like this. We don't go for these much of steps. We can do this as with these 3 steps using formulas, right? Just you think it over and try it for. We'll see the next class. Yes, no? So thank you so much for listening my class till now. Thank you so much. Right?